Walking along Armoy near Mennecy in France, found these little caterpillars inside cobwebs. I thought they were spiders. Wow, amazing. Natural world full of wonders. I don't know what they're called. Hopefully somebody out there knows their name. Some of them are breaking out and coming out of the cobwebs and moving around. Seriously, surprise. Seriously surprised on what they are. Hopefully somebody is gonna watch this and let me know the name and what they are called. Of probably as well be Googling and see if I can get their names. Wow.